Today we're going to review the Mavic Mini. This thing costs $450 and it's a drone that comes with a camera. The €450 with the Fly More combo. Comes with a bunch of stuff as well. And we're going to review it. But first, make sure you like and subscribe. Otherwise, we're not going to show you some camera footage of this thing flying really high. Not really high, but like high. So this thing weighs 240 grams. So you don't have to register in some countries. But in Ireland, because you have a camera here, you do have to register it because it's a law. It also comes with a remote control. You can put your phone in here and plug in a cable. Where's the cable? Cable here. You can control it. These things are to move it. You also get these joystick sticks. They're not magnetic. Oh, they're screw on. It'd be much better to magnetic. But you know, it would be worse. Yeah, and you can screw on, and bam. And this button's to record here. No idea what that button does. This is to move up and down the camera. And yeah, it's pretty good. You can control it with your phone, which is cool. And it also has these antenna things to 2.4 gigahertz bandwidth of broadcasting power. What? Did I put it wrong? Oh, I did. This thing can compact really well. Like, there we go. This thing can compact. Very good. So the drone has 30 minutes of flight time, 4 kilometers HD resolution video, and a GPS precise hover. It's like hover, which is cool. It also has a 3-axis gimbal, also has sensors which are located here somewhere. And now to show you how good this camera is and this drone is, we're going to show some footage of it flying. Yeah, I'm recording. It's a really good drone. You can fly it up really high. It only costs $460. It comes with spare stuff. It's lightweight and comes with a camera with 1080p at 60 frames per second. Would I recommend this? Yes. If you're into photography, especially aerial photography, hugely recommend. Hugely recommend. Absolutely recommend.